guys, I literally did not vlog after we got back from the restaurant because it was late. It wasn't late, sorry. My hair was stuck on my earring. Today was fun or whatever. It's currently 4:28 in the morning, so I'm sitting here right now because I need to put on some lotion because I used the bathroom before leaving Fountain's apartment. I need to get my ID and I need to finish this drying. I hope I got enough footage. I really don't know. If I didn't get enough footage, I'm gonna vlog today. Like, today's a lot of schoolwork.
You may push back from the gate. Please make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Your seatbelts and tray tables are in their foremost uncomfortable position, and all those carry-on items you brought on board. I was watching you, but anyway, your secret is safe with me. Just make sure it's all the way underneath the seat in front of you or an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Last but certainly not least, we have a gentleman on board. This is his very first flight. Happens to be his birthday. He is 72 years old. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Yeah. Oh yeah, warms my heart too. So once we land in Baltimore, on your way out, you can stick your head in the cockpit with one of these old guys, happy birthday. It's not funny anymore, is it? No, he started yesterday. He did good. So they let him come back today for a do-over. So you guys are on the do-over flight. We're going to make history today. He's going to do really good. He knows that the cockpit is in the front and not the back. That's always a good thing. So when you land in Baltimore, you're going to take out that flip phone your grandma bought you for Christmas, last Christmas. You're going to call all your friends and family. You're going to say, wow, that was my best flight ever. Welcome aboard, folks, and make sure that you keep these bags over your nose and mouth.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up.
Lori number 1 and Lori number 2. So both of these ladies have a hip-hop dance class every Wednesday afternoon from 3:30 to 3:35. My buddy up front, she likes long walks on the beach. And my favorite color is clear, as in Patron and diamond. Jot that down, folks. Might come in handy one day. What we do, we are a cleanup crew. We collect it all. We sell it on eBay. We split the money between the 4 of us. So just take a few minutes, folks, to check it. If you bought something on here, you got to take it with you. That includes your kids and your husbands. Thank you.
So I literally just landed at BWI. I'm still sitting at the gate because the plane that we just got off of is also going to West Palm Beach. So I just lost my purse. So I was just, the handle is in the way. So I was just like, let me just sit here and give you guys a really quick update. I was gonna take an Uber home, but I texted my mom that I landed and she was like, do you want me to come pick you up? I was like, oh yeah, come school, feel me? But anyway, I'm about to give you a quick recap since I just told her that I would like her to come get me. So basically, Pittsburgh was fun. I hope you guys can hear me because they're making announcements. I feel like I didn't vlog a lot, but I feel like I did get a decent amount of footage, kind of like in the studio and at dinner. Yeah, at dinner, like me and Kendra kind of vlogged a little bit. But the trip overall was fun. I was kind of nervous to go because it's colder in Pennsylvania than it is in Maryland, but honestly it was not that bad. It was just the wind. Like, if it wasn't windy, I could get down with it, but it did snow. That was a little strange. The snow didn't stick, but it was weird. That was my first snow that I've seen this year. Fallon looked good. Y'all saw her makeup came out really nice. Her hair looked really good. Misha did her thing with them pictures. That Misha Fallon combo. Them pictures came out fire. Pittsburgh was fun, but now back home, I've never seen so many Steelers fans in my life, like at one place. Going to Pittsburgh, someone was like, yo, how about them Ravens? And they was not having it. But I should have said something. Here, there's like always like a couple Steelers fans, but like they was just all in one place, which makes sense because we in their city, you feel me? Or we were going to their city. I was tired initially, but I'm not tired anymore, so I don't know if I'm gonna do some work when I get home. I have an assignment due tonight at 5 p.m. Have I started? Yes. Have I made significant progress to finish it. No. Yeah, so there's this girl who I went to high school with. She like moved to Maryland in 9th grade, but she's like from Vegas, and she just posted this like, if they say Nevada, it's a red flag, but like, how do you say it? Nevada? Oh, maybe, is it Nevada? Wait, I'm confused. How do you say it? Now I'm never gonna say that state name until I have some clarity. So if you know how to say the state Vegas is in, let me know in the comments down below. Hey y'all, my mama here, so we about to go find her. I'm at location 19, she's at 12. So y'all can't really see me, but we're about to meet up. I think she's trying to come to me, but honestly, I don't want to stand in the cold. So I'm gonna try to look for her. I think she's calling me. Oh, I missed the call. Hello. Thank you for scooping me. Alright guys, so my mom took me to Starbucks. So I got the caramel brulee. That's like my holiday drink of choice. I got a decaf, of course. And now we're about to go to Panera. Well, I'm about to go to Panera. Well, she's gonna take me to Panera to go study, because if I stay at home, your girl's gonna sleep. So we're about to go to Panera and get some work done. So got this copyright plan, but y'all know how I said I haven't been to Panera since the whole scamming situation thing. Well, I decided that I can still come to Panera. It says I just can't order online, but yeah, I just ordered cinnamon crunch bagel sliced toasted. This is my first time coming to this Panera location, but it's cute up in here. And then I got Starbucks, like I told you guys earlier. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here, eat my bagel, drink my drink, and then finish the show I was watching. And then I have 3 major assignments I want to get done today. One of them is due at 5 p.m. so I really want to start that first, but honestly I really don't want to. But ooh, that's me. I'll be back. We got the bagel, so we're about to eat, and it's pretty empty in here. Well, it is like very early in the morning, but it's pretty empty in here, which I love that. But we're about to vibe for a little bit.
I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over.
Y'all, so I'm gonna try to talk over the copyright, but basically it is 3:50 and I just finished my assignment that is due today at 5. Y'all, it was a lot, but I'm done. I'm still sitting at Panera, so I think I might get something to eat. Is it dark? So I'll probably get a salad, and then I'll get back to doing some more work. I still want to get 2 more things done, and so it looks like I'm about to be here literally all day. They close at 9. Well, it's 3:50, so I might be here till 7. I really need to pee, but did I ever tell y'all about like Panera bathrooms? So I used to work at Panera, and the bathrooms at my Panera were like so disgusting. Like I have vowed never to use another Panera bathroom again. So I actually do need to use the bathroom. So let's see how much work I can get done before I have to go home. I'm hoping if I can't get both of my remaining 2 assignments, I'm hoping to at least get 1, bro. Like, let me get 1 done. So yeah, I'm about to go order my food. This is my first time actually having a buzzer at a Panera. So yeah, that's interesting. I just got a salad, no tomatoes, no onions. Come on, extra dressing, you feel me? And so yeah, I'm about to sit here and chew until this thing go off. The buzzer's going off, so I'm about to go get my food. Y'all watch my stuff for me, okay? Thank y'all. Watch a lecture for class, but the Panera Wi-Fi is not working to let me watch the lecture, so I'm about to head out. So I'm packing up and then get home. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains.